Hey everyone, this is Vikram from Vikram Online Biz, and today I'm going to bust one of the biggest myths that you will perpetually find on the internet, and that is to do with the assumption that anyone can, get rich quick virtually overnight. Trust me, believe me, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. The internet is, at the end of the day, just another platform for making money. It's not a shortcut to making money. That's what is often touted, that the internet is basically a shortcut to making quick money, and that too, lots of it. But trust me, it is not like that. It's just another platform. At the end of the day, it's just like any other business. I have been in internet marketing and online marketing for a long time, and I can assure you I have basically tried out every trick in the trade, and at the end of the day I'm quite happy with the results. I'm quite happy with the money that I make, but it has taken me a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, a lot of patience, multiple avenues which I've together accumulated, multiple kinds of online marketing and internet marketing, as well as ways to make money which I've kind of accumulated, and that's how I make my money. If I were to depend on, say, only one source, even within the internet and internet marketing realm, probably I would not be making enough money. But today I can confidently say that at least about $5,000 a month is what I make. Now, for many, that would be a very modest sum, but then for me, in India and purely through the internet, I think that's a reasonable sum of money which I managed to make, which is accumulation of money as earned through Google AdSense, through affiliate marketing, through as many different channels as possible. I've tried to accumulate everything and then make my money. And at the end of the day, I think it's taken me about 4 years to get to this figure. I started with much smaller amounts, and eventually I've got to I've kind of stabilized. I would definitely like that I at least add maybe one more zero to that figure, monthly figure, and that would probably be great. And that I know will take me a lot more time, but it does happen. I don't want you to have a negative idea about internet marketing, that oh my god, I can't make it. You definitely can make it, but please don't trust anybody who says oh my god, you're going to be rich overnight. I think in life there are only about, say, about as far as I'm concerned, there are probably four different ways in which you can become super rich or a millionaire overnight. I think one is if you win the lottery, if you win in a casino, whether online or offline. Offline is what is more likely. On an online casino, I don't think it's really likely to happen that way. Maybe if you get inheritance, and maybe if you win on a program such as Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Other than that, other than these kind of avenues, you basically get the gist of what I'm saying. It's really difficult to become very rich within a very short span of time. I'm not saying that it does not happen, but it takes time, and the same is true for the internet as well. So as a bottom line, I would reiterate that please take it with a pinch of salt if anybody says oh my god, you just do this and you'll be a millionaire overnight. It does not happen. Thank you.